Peptides are short chains of amino acids, essentially signals your body naturally uses to regulate functions like healing, metabolism, and recovery. We use specific peptides to help encourage the body's own processes. Think of them as gentle messengers that help your system do what it's designed to do. As we age, our own body's natural signaling slows down. That affects everything from muscle repair to immune strength. Peptide therapy reactivates those pathways, supporting wellness from the inside out. It's a way of reminding your body how to perform at its best. With peptide therapy, patients see benefits like better recovery after exercise, improved sleep, sharper focus, and stronger immunity. Some peptides target weight management or skin health. The impact is subtle but powerful. You feel stronger, clearer, and more resilient. Many peptides we use have been studied extensively in clinical trials for decades, with strong safety profiles. They're FDA regulated and prescribed carefully. The science is solid and the results speak for themselves. We partner with only licensed compounding pharmacies, ensuring that every peptide we prescribe is not only effective, but safe.